Hi, I'm Miss Canup, and I'm here to help you log in to your Google Classroom from home. The first thing you will need to do is to make sure that you are at the Google Chrome search engine page. In the upper right hand corner, you will see some type of icon, whether it's a person, a color, or an actual image. You'll want to click on that icon. As you can see, I have multiple users on my Google Chrome account. From here, you will want to click Add Account. What you will need to do is you will need to enter your 9 to 13 digit student ID number, and then you'll want to enter the domain part of your email address. That's the @ symbol. And your domain is different from mine because your domain is at student.ucps.k12.nc.us. But for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to remove student from mine. Then you will click Next. Then it will ask you for your password. This is the same password that you use to log into your computer at school. Now you are in your Google Chrome account. You'll see in the upper right hand corner that there is a square icon. We call that the waffle. You'll want to click on the waffle and you'll see the Google Classroom icon. Click on that icon and you should see all of your classes that you are currently attending in Google Classroom. Some of my students have asked for some help on how to log into their virtual reading log and make an entry. You'll simply tap on Reader's Workshop, click Classwork, choose the hyperlink Reading Logs, and here you have your directions for the after-school virtual reading log. Remember, honesty is an expectation, so if for whatever reason you were not able to read that night, please make an entry, but enter in 0 minutes. I know that my students have busy schedules, and sometimes you have gymnastics, dance, football, soccer, baseball, practice. These are things that you know about in advance. When you know about something that's going to affect your schedule and maybe things will be too busy on one particular night, you can always read ahead. So, for example, if I know that I'm going to have dance classes on Tuesday, Monday night I will want to read my 45 minutes that is required, and then I'll want to read an additional 45 minutes. That Monday night or Tuesday morning in class, I'll log in to the after school reading log and I will enter 90 minutes of reading. Then on Tuesday night when I have practice or when I have my dance class, I will enter in the virtual reading log 0 minutes. Make sure you make an entry to the reading log either from home on your computer every night, or if you do not have computer access, make sure that you make that entry before 8 o'clock in the morning. The best time to do that is during our arrival time from 7 to 7:40. You can do it as part of your morning routine or your morning work. Now, to make your entry, click on the hyperlink Q1 After School Virtual Reading Log. Click on the space where it says your answer and you'll type in your first and last name. Type in the title of the book, the author, and now here is where you'll enter the page number where you began your nightly reading. Resist the urge to type in page, as this is a number-only entry. If you should do this, the computer will prompt you that the answer must be a whole number. Simply tap the backspace button until your answer is a whole number. Then type in the page that you ended on. And record your total number of reading minutes outside of school. Again, resist the urge to type in minutes. If you do, make sure that you hit the backspace until you have a whole number as your answer. Then simply hit the submit button. A lot of students get confused about this portion of the reading log. This simply confirms that you have entered in all of your information and that your information has been recorded. This blue hyperlink says submit another response. You only need to submit one reading response per night, so you'll not need to use this hyperlink. And that is how you log in to your Google Classroom from home and how to complete your after-school virtual reading log for your nightly reading. Ha! Get it? Nightly reading. Go Nights! Enjoy your reading, build a reading life, and make sure that you read the required 45 minutes of reading each night and log it in to your after-school virtual reading log.